This relic in my hand reminds me of a man who survived a Katyusha rocket just 4 meters away. A man who endured Poland, France and the Eastern Front and ended the war as a prisoner of the British Army. My grandfather was born in 1920 in Vreden an der Leine, Germany. Before the war, he was assigned to the Regiment General Göring, originally formed as Hermann Göring's personal guard under the Luftwaffe. Later, he was deployed to Poland, France and Russia, serving at the 8.8 centimeter Flak, initially for anti-aircraft defense and later in ground combat against Soviet tanks. He earned the Iron Cross Second Class, the Flak Combat Badge and the Ground Combat Badge, visible in the wartime photos I still have today. His release document from British captivity even bears his personal thumbprint, a small, tangible mark of survival and freedom after years of war. At one post he was a forward observer perched in a tree. 4 meters away, a Katyusha rocket struck the ground. But it didn't explode. That narrow escape likely saved his life. In Radom, Poland, he met my future grandmother, a Polish civilian serving as a telephone operator for the Luftwaffe. After the war, they reunited by chance. He recovering from severe jaundice, Gelbsucht in a hospital, she inheriting a house nearby. Together, they ran a small tobacco shop, and he became a regional mushroom expert, advising local doctors on poisonings. Today, when I search the forests for relics, I sometimes hold objects like this Flak badge. Not his personally, but a tangible connection to the men of that time. History is not just metal or paper. It is memory, survival, and the threads that connect us to the past.